In this video, I'll show you how to set automatic bids on eBay. So here we are on the eBay home screen, and we need to find something that is on auction. So I don't see anything on auction here, so I'll just search for auctions ending now. Here we are. Let's pick the one for watches, parts, and accessories. And I'm just going to pick this watch here. And when we're happy with this listing, what we're going to do is just place bid. Now, I haven't put in my card details, so I'll press next. And then I'll click on got it. And then I need to click on select and change for the various options here. And when I'm done adding in my details, I'll hit confirm. But this won't ship to me anyways. But what I'm going to do is just put up a screenshot here. So you can see all that I need to do is hit place bid. And then it's going to automatically, incrementally place bids for me until it reaches my set amount. So in this screenshot, it'll be $150. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.